Hey there, honeybees. It's baking season. I want to give you guys a little inspiration. Now, I don't want you guys stressing out this season. These are a few things that you will need if you are a beginning baker, and even if you're a seasoned baker. These are some things that you can use to create your vegan dishes. Now, I want to give you guys just a little inspiration. These dishes that I'm showing you now, they are all wheat free, soy free, nut free. Okay? It is absolutely 100% possible to keep a healthy lifestyle. If you are allergic or if you have any health concerns, you can still create wonderful dishes and share them with your family and friends. It may take some time for you to learn, but the important thing is for you to just have fun. Take the expectancy off of yourself and just go and create. Mix and match your extracts, mix and match your ingredients, mix and match your flours. Different flours produce a different result. And what you want is to make sure that you are having a great time, that your dishes are flavorful, that they're wonderful, that they look beautiful, and that you are serving to your family, to your friends, and to yourself the dishes that most represent you. Remove the pressure and just have fun. Enjoy the holiday season. Enjoy your kitchen. Get in there, get creative, and make something new. It's okay if you make a mistake. Just have a good time. All right? Bye, honeybees. What do you think I'm going to create this year?